Sa pumili ng Berkano card, dito nyo reading. Tingnan natin kung sino'y naiinggit sa inyo. I feel na tapat kang tao. It could be somebody na may following sa social media, okay? To be honest with you, maraming naiinggit sa'yo. I feel na iba sa kanila siguro ay yung kamag-anak or pwede rin matalik na kaibigan. Ganun din yung iba mong viewers, if ever you are somebody na you're doing something on social media, okay? So, i-clarify natin yung cards. I feel na you're actually inspiring others. Hindi mo naman meant na inggitin yung mga tao. I feel na talagang maganda yung talent mo, tsaka nag-express ka lang naman ng ginagawa mo, yun nasa sense ko. I feel na di mo naman sinasadya na mapansin ka kasi yun talaga yung work mo eh. It could be somebody who's always productive, kaya nainggit sa'yo yung mga tao pag hindi sila ganon, kagaya mo, okay? Kasi, I'm sensing kaya siya nainggit sa'yo, maybe you're somebody na minamahal ng mga tao, and I feel like with this one, talaga nire-respeto ka ng mga tao, at saka, you know, pero hindi lumalaki yung iyong ulo kahit na mataas ang tingin sa'yo ng mga tao. I feel na naiiyak siya kasi gusto niya sana na ganito rin yung kanyang buhay, yung kanyang career. I feel here na ito yung tao na uhaw sa, you know, pansin, or pwede rin na uhaw sa respect or pagtingin ng mga tao sa kanya. So, maybe this is nagsaselo siya sa'yo kasi maybe this is somebody na poor or homeless, can be, you could have your own house and so on. And with the fight being here, so, I feel here na ito siguro yung energy mo na you encourage others to actually work so that, you know, maiahon kayo sa hirap. Parang ganun yung energy mo. Parang ni-inspire mo sila na maging kagaya mo, na wag tatama rin, dapat magpursige para kumita and so on. So, siguro tungkol dun yung channel mo, tungkol sa pera or whatever. Pero, I feel na yung iba nag-view talaga sa'yo, you know, nainggit sila kasi they want to be rich, okay? I feel na naiyak talaga sila. So, with the Bandit and Triumph, okay? So, I feel na nainggit yung mga tao sa'yo kasi you're definitely somebody who's definitely loved, at hindi lang yun guys, saging successful ka sa ginagawa mo. Itong tao na to kaya siya naiinggit kasi maybe this is maraming energy na inggit dito guys. Maybe some of them, they could be sick, they can't do something like what you're doing because they are sick, okay? Or they feel weak. Some of them, whomever they are, they could be jealous of you dahil marami kang material na bagay, marami silang gusto na meron ka. Isa rin sa kinaingitan nila guys na lagi may good news na parating sa inyo. Sila naman, ito yung kanilang pakiramdam na depressed sila kasi wala sila yung mga bagay na yan. Kung sila man ay iyong follower guys, I'm sensing na dahil nga sa negative emotion nila, minsan na unsubscribe ka na nila, unfollow. Kasi, you know, naiiyak sila at talo nilang nadidiscriminate yung kanilang sarili. Lesson that we have is this one. So as I told you, some of them unsubscribe to you kasi naiinggit sila, okay? But I feel here na despite of the naiinggit, I think na minsan binabalik-balikan nila yung ginagawa mo. I feel here kasi nami-miss nila, na addict sila sa kung ano yung pinapost mo and so on. Kaya binabalik-balikan ka nila. I'm sensing na hindi mo naman talaga intention na inggitin sila. I feel like you're definitely inspiring them to go after their goals and their dreams. And with the last being here, so yung madalas na inggit sa'yo is yung mga tao na lost with regards sa kanilang career. Yung mga tao na hindi nila alam kung paano magsisimula with regards doon, okay? So, next that we have is this one. So, I feel here na they definitely desire to be like you are, but yet look at that, they're not doing anything. This is sad, okay? So, anyway, with the Berkano card here, talagang, nakatuon ako dito sa nanonood sa rabbit. Okay? Nakita naman natin dito. So, ibig sabihin lang nun, most people that are jealous of you are yung mga viewers mo, guys. Okay? Or yung mga tao na alam yung ginagawa mo at hindi nila magawa kung ano man yun. Pero gusto nila maging ikaw. Okay? Na-inspire sila, but yet they can't be like you. I think that you need to tell your fans, okay, your following na wag silang maging wag nilang sirain yung kanilang confidence, okay? So we have do your best. We also have this one in reverse, okay? So, yung mga nainggit sa'yo, guys, hindi nila kaya yung ginagawa mo. Kasi in their perspective, what you're doing is the best already, okay? Hindi nila mapapantayan yun, kaya sila naiinggit kasi ang baba ng tingin nila sa kanilang sarili. So, as I told you before, na yung iba sa kanila nag-unfollow sa'yo dahil sa because they're looking at you, bumababa yung tingin nila sa kanilang sarili. See? Umiiwas sila sa'yo kasi na-insecure sila. Next one that we got is pass in easier way, and we also have this one in easier way. So, ito yung tao na gusto rin umasenso kagaya mo. At nanonood sila sa'yo kasi gusto nila ng idea kung paano umangat, kung paano makaget over sa kanilang buhay. I feel na naiyak talaga sila. They're not really in a good place. Kaya siguro sila nagpupunta sa channel mo to get inspired by you. Okay, and anyway, let's see what else. Okay, kaya pala sila nainggit, okay? Kasi guys, kung sakali man yung pinapakita mo sa social media is kinda like DIY, mapapagastos, and so on. Nainggit sila guys kasi hindi nila magawa yung ginagawa mo kasi maybe kailangan ng pera para gawin yun. At wala silang pera for that, okay? At ito yung malungkot, okay? Kaya, nababa yung tingin nila sa kanilang sarili kasi maybe they're not respected by the people around them. And also, ito rin yung sa kanilang sarili. So, hindi pa sila nakakaalis ng ganun state na i-let go yung negative thinking about themselves, okay? So, yung sa kanila, kaya rin sila naiinggit kasi maybe they're somebody who don't have communication skills, okay? Siguro magaling kayo mag-communicate, magaling kayo mag-entertain, and so ever. Wala sila yung ganun talent, kaya sila naiinggit. So, about sa kayamanan, sila yung naiinggit sa'yo kasi hindi sila mayaman. Naiyak sila. Tapos, I feel here na they are definitely one of your viewers, okay? But yet, I don't feel na they intend to feel envious of you. I feel na sana maunawaan mo rin sila kung ba't sila lumayo sa'yo kasi ayaw nilang patuloy silang magkaroon ng negative emotions at saka i-down masyado yung kanilang sarili, okay? So, I feel like you're not aware that your definitely fans are jealous of you. Kasi akala mo, nanonood sila sa'yo. Okay, akala mo parte sila ng iyong audience ang masaya for you and so on. But these people, they have emotional breakdown or pwede rin na meron silang negative thoughts kapag nakikita ka nila, pero I don't feel na yung intention nila about it is bad, okay? Naawa ko sa kanila, honestly. So, ito na yung paalala sa inyo guys. So, kung gagawa kayo ng content, I would just suggest to uplift your fans. Post something that will definitely inspire them to actually not look down on themselves, okay? So anyway, that's it guys with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight and awareness about your situation, and God bless all of you.